All right. Do you have a Kinect camera that will turn on? I don't know if you can see that the red lights are on, and then turn off randomly, and you can't figure out how to fix it. Well, okay, see, it just turned off. I figured it out. I've tried updating all the SDK files. I've updated every single driver on my computer. I've done absolutely everything. There's a really easy solution, and I'm kind of frustrated that it took me this long to figure it out. So, if you're like me and trying to one of the few people who try to get a Kinect V2 camera connected to your Windows 11 for a lot of cool things that the camera can do, here's the solution. So, I'm filming this on two computers. Hopefully, it's okay. Um, so, if you go into your system sound settings, right, and if you can catch if you go under all sound devices, so the camera is turning on and off, right? It just keeps rebooting. You'll see it turn back on at some point. Yeah, see, it's on right now. So if you can catch it into the input devices, Microsoft Array, if you open that up, which of course mine doesn't want to open up. Yeah, so I got into it. If you see this audio enhancements setting, turn that garbage off. So like, watch. Well, I'll turn my light off so you can see the sensor better. So right now, we'll see. Oops, yeah, it just turned off, right? It'll turn back on in a second. But the second I turn off this voice clarity setting, fixed. No problem at all. Watch. You see it's turning on, and it's gonna turn back off. So I'm gonna turn this voice clarity off. It's garbage. Don't use that. Now look, the camera is gonna stay on. Doesn't go away. So I spent way too much time trying to figure this out, and it's such a simple, stupid little AI thing that's in Windows 11 that was preventing this. So hopefully this helps you if you're having issues with the Connect resetting. But look, it's still on. It's not turning off. It was that simple. But that was a very quick video. I hope this is able to help you out too. All right. I'll see you guys again later. And if you like kind of videos like this, subscribe, baby. Cool. See you later.